In this video, we will discuss biology important question for your exam preparation. First question is, which of the following disease is related to coronavirus? Answer is COVID-19. Second question is, monosodium glutamate MSG in food is used as. Answer is flavor enhancer is the right answer. Next question, the pyramid of energy in an ecosystem is. Right answer is always upright. Next question, there are how many pairs of cranial nerves in humans? View the answer. The correct answer is 12. Next question, sphygmomanometer measures. View the answer. The correct answer is blood pressure. Next question, the universal donor blood group is. View the answer. The correct answer is O. Next question, which vitamin is known as folic acid? So the correct answer is vitamin B9. Next question, which of the following food item would have highest per gram calorific value? So the correct answer is ghee. Next question, why is immunization against the common cold not very effective? So the correct answer is a large number of strains of novirus is present, thereby making immunization ineffective. Next question, which of the following microorganism causes dysentery? View the answer. The correct answer is Shigella.